Yabona mawusigebengu hlukana nokuthatha indaba zakho uhlanganise namantombazana. Hlukana ukuthatha indaba zakho uhlanganise namantombazana. Ingebengu ezibhaya vandag zingaphakathi ngenxa yabantombazana. Ngenxa ukuthi amantombazana bona nabafuzi bona laba involved and bayafaka up benze snacks. Caba ubreckless obulapha. Ubreckless obulapha. First of all, there are this chick low yellow. Like, come on. Do you guys know ukuthi ukhetha matlana namhlanje ungaphakathi ngenxa yomfazi? Come on. Upreacher ispam. Ifinger yakho ikutrigger. And then you using your body. Pressure like. Do you yes, muscle, why muscle for touch, muscle for touch, muscle for touch, or whatsoever that thing. Le ones ukuthi like you can just shake. What if it is a magatutut? And then this finger ya bamba yega lapha yathi muscle for touch, for charge, for touch, whatever that thing is. Beka yothi yena, I didn't pull the trigger. I didn't pull the trigger. It just happened. Njengomunye umjita so azodubula umunye umuntu qeda wathi yena azange pull the trigger. It just happened. And nonke niyamazi. But today and samazi ngoba wawa ngithi. Anyway, hlukana mawesigebengu, hlukana nokuhlanganisa indaba zakho nabafazi. Umfazi wakho makangazi next ukuthi wenzani wena. Isimple. Or else now uzopantita. Utlotsena. Bapreach impafetere bakhombana bapreacher na ebusweni. Bufebe.